At DMD, Custom Crates and Boxes, we are leaders in the transformation and international supply of custom and recycled wooden products. With over 20 years of experience, we offer a complete range of products, including pallets, bins, crates, reels, and other products to meet the specific needs of our customers. We comply with all industry standards, including ISPM 15 and NOM 144 SEMRNAT, and use advanced automation technology that has distinguished us since our inception. We take care of every stage of our processes to ensure safe and durable products. We select the most resistant and healthy pine trees in Canada, the United States, and Mexico, and subject them to thermal treatment in our facilities in El Paso, Texas, guaranteeing pest elimination. Subsequently, we transport the wood to our facilities in Juarez thanks to our certification in IMEX along with our other certifications, where our team manufactures each product to the highest quality standards. Our processes are optimized, but our success is also due to our great human capital. We highly value the talents of our employees and business partners and work to create a harmonious ecosystem that offers opportunities for their growth and development. At DMD Custom Crates and Boxes, we are committed to the quality of our products and the satisfaction of our customers. Contact us for personalized advice and find the best packaging solution for your company. DMD, the power of lumber, the promise of sustainability.